Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel again. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to see Gmail password in mobile. So to do that, head over to your Gmail. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your account. Then go to your profile by tapping the icon on the upper right corner. And then go to manage your Google account. And once you are in this security option, go to password. Give your phone's password. Tap on continue. And they will verify. And here you have to give your new password and confirm your new password. So yeah, this is how you can just check your password. And there's another way, that is passkeys and security keys. You can also see the passkeys and security keys in here. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.